Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, just click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Today's video is a special video. It's a Valentine's Day dessert collaboration that was created by Dolores, the Baking Diva. Down below, I'll have all the links to everyone's videos. You guys can go check those out. Today, I thought the perfect dessert to make would be a red velvet cheesecake. Now, red velvet is one of my all-time favorite flavors. Now, this recipe is so easy. It's no bake. You whip all the ingredients together and then place it in the refrigerator, and it would be perfect after dinner. If you all want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started. This is all the ingredients you're gonna need to make this wonderful cheesecake. All you'll need is 24 Oreo cookies and 1/4 cup unsalted butter that's been melted. Now we're going to pat that into the pan and place this in the refrigerator while we prepare our filling. Now with a stand mixer or a hand mixer, we're going to begin creaming our 16 ounces of cream cheese. Now to add in 1 cup of sour cream, make sure you're constantly scraping the sides of the bowl down. You want to make sure everything is incorporated. Now we're going to begin slowly adding in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's all dissolved into our batter. Look how smooth that is, you guys. Next, we're going to add in our flavorings. That's 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now to add in 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And last but not least, to give our cheesecake a beautiful red color, 1 teaspoon of red gel food coloring. Smooth this out in our pan and place this in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours to set completely. And this is our cheesecake, you guys. Look how gorgeous it is. Now, I just whipped some whipped cream to do some stars on top and made a little design out of cocoa powder. I really hope you guys try this one. From my home to yours. Enjoy.